Hello everyone, welcome to another tutorial. Please subscribe if you are new in my channel. And in the last video, I have shown you how you can create a menu within WordPress. And now this time I'm going to show you how you can call those created menu in Breezy and use them and save them so that you don't have to call them again and again, and you can bring those saved items whenever you need. So here you can see within Breezy, start building your page, and in this plus item, see, press the button above to add blocks. So I just press it and we see what we can see here is layouts, blocks, saved, and global blocks. So here you can take some pre-made items, but instead we're going to create our own. So here in this tutorial, I am going to show you only how you can call the menu items. So to call them, I can press here and I can write menu, and here you see you can call the menu and just leave it here. And you see already it called an existing menu and the menu that has been created in the first place. So I already showed that I was creating a menu for restaurant, and none of them has appeared because the restaurant menus is different. So I will go here and I will press here, and here you can see there is an item called menu, and also there are some other things that I will be showing you later, like make it hamburger. You can show it in a different orientation, different way. You can also choose the orientation from spacing. So I would like this front menu. If you can remember that we have created a front menu for the restaurant, and if you're new here, it's a series. You can go and check the description box and follow this series. So to change the menu, we need to go here and press here, and here you can see that it is already take another menu by default, or the first menu that has been created for this web page. But we want the front menu, the restaurant menu, the main restaurant menu. So we press here, and now you can see the items that we created: recommendation, private events, participation, food menu, contact, chefs, booking, blogs. Everything is in this menu now. So isn't it amazing that whoever comes will press here and go in that particular page? So you can also work around this menu by going like here. If you press, it can go on the left side, in the middle, on the right side. And also if you go here, you can make it a hamburger. That means now when people come, people press and it will come from the left side. Now you see those items is here. And I prefer not to be hamburger, so I will just take it away. And orientation, you can also make this kind of orientation vertical orientation, and it can be horizontal orientation as well. I mean, it depends on your choice how you would like people to navigate in your website. And also here you can see the spacing. If you just take it completely on the left side, the spacing will be as little as possible. So you can also increase the spacing depending on the space you have in your web page. And the moment you increase this, it can take up to 100 pixels of spaces. So you can actually play around. Now this one you can actually save for later use. Okay, how you can save it? Well, you can also give a background color for this one, maybe this color. Now you can save this one for later use, where here there is a heart shaped icon, and once you hover over, it will show that save, and once you save it, it is already saved in your blog. And how you whenever you would like to bring it back to work with or in any kind of page, what you do is just press here, and now you can see the heart-shaped items. So you just press there, and the item what you have already saved should be here. Here you can see that. You press it here, and you see it's here. Although you can copy from here, duplicate, but also you can bring it from the saved items, because in this page you can duplicate, but if you go in completely a new page, but there you want this menu to appear with complete styling, and then you can actually bring it from that saved library. Hope this video actually helps you saving the menu for later use. Also, you know how you can bring the already created menu in your Breezy. Thank you very much for watching, and of course remember to subscribe this channel to get more videos and continue watching this series, because in the end of this series I'm going to make a complete website from scratch to the end. Thank you very much.